Well, good morning, everybody. It's me, Gregory Mannarino, and we have to talk. All right, look, so it is Thursday, April 21st, 2022. Sit down and relax, people, because the freak show, I'm telling you, it just keeps getting worse. Let's start off with the market, just to set the stage here. Stock futures right now, higher across the board. Looks to me at least that this market is going to open higher at the open, despite the fact that we got three more pieces of pretty bad economic news. One not so bad, but the other two, they're taking everybody by surprise, not me and you. Let's talk about that. So I'm laughing, but I shouldn't be laughing. Unemployment claims came in higher than expected. Not much, but higher nonetheless. Now it's interesting. Keep that in mind. So unemployment claims come in, what they're saying is near a 50-year low, new unemployment claims. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve Business Barometer unexpectedly has slowed down, showing that business activity here in the United States is slowing, okay? And the Fed's manufacturing index also fell. So let's see. We have manufacturing falling. We have business activity slowing down. And they want us to believe that the unemployment claims, coming in slightly higher. Oh, it's fantastic. Don't even worry about it. No, it's all just dog shit, and you know that. The global economy is collapsing. Don't listen to me. Listen to the World Bank. Listen to the IMF, who have repeatedly, over the past several years, continued to lower their global growth forecasts. It's all propaganda, people. They're lying to us. And, why are stock futures higher on the back of bad economic news? Because the market realizes it's all shit. And that the Fed is going to continue to inflate. And that's it, period, the end. And that's why we're seeing, again, look, this market here over the past several months absolutely has been in a normal corrective phase, despite this imbecile and that imbecile is calling for market crashes every single month or every single week, whatever it might be. They're all going to be wrong. This market will, again, hit new record highs in short order. Because, again, look, you know how this works. The economy's over. It's dead in the water. And without a continuous influx of easy money, which in no way, shape, or form is going to stop, well, okay, I think you get the picture here. So look, on the back of stock futures being higher right now, let's look over at the 10-year yield. 2.85, sitting pretty, looking good. Dollar, slightly lower. Crude oil catching a bid. So what does that tell us? People, the setup for the market today, yet again, is not bad. Not bad at all, considering everything I just told you. Okay, we got cryptocurrencies right now catching a bid. Bitcoin over 42,000. Gold and silver under a little pressure. Imagine my shock here. I dare you, people. Like I said, make any of this stuff up. It's impossible to do. But the fact of the matter is, you and I are literally in the middle of a global, I don't even know what you want to call this here, other than people are being fist-fed bullshit, okay? They are desperately trying to convince people that what they are seeing with their own eyes is not real. It is very real. And it's getting exceedingly difficult for people around the world, not just here in the United States, just to make ends meet, just to survive. You know the story here, people. We are sincerely watching not only a wipeout of an entire class of people. I'm referring to the middle class, as you well know. No one knows that better than you do. But we are seeing, again, a wealth transfer effect unlike anything we've ever seen. Ever before in history, and this has been going on for a very, very long time, since the meltdown of '08, easy money has made it incredibly simple for the well-off and the rich to just suck the entire system dry right out of the middle class. And this mechanism is going to get a lot worse. I don't know what to tell you. Pay attention to what's going on. Raise your awareness like I always tell you. Realize that you are going to be lied to and propagandized worse than ever as the global economy continues to free fall with no end in sight. Oh, we also heard this too. Another call from Jamie Dimon, the CEO of, the mega bank, JP Morgan, calling for an urgent almost $1.5 trillion as an initial installment to fund the energy crisis that we have right now that's about to get much worse. Don't forget, just yesterday, JP Morgan is putting a price target around $185 on crude. And yeah, we're going to get there. So expect people, what we're seeing, to get obviously worse. There's no end in sight. Expect inflation to continue to surge out of control. Expect the market to continue to move higher. As long as the global economy continues to free fall, the market will go higher because easy money is not going to stop. What are you going to do about it? That's really the bottom line. What are you going to do about it? Since you understand that you got to get on the opposite side of this, you need to be, again, doing what we have been doing for years. We're not going to deviate. Bet against the debt. Become your own central bank. That is, hold hard assets. More specifically, physical silver. I'm going to keep repeating myself. You need some cryptos. People, look, I think cryptocurrencies are in the early stages right now of another big move higher. Okay. I'm looking at the charts. I'm taking in the fundamental picture. And that's what it looks like to me. So just be ready for cryptos to make a pretty big move higher over the next several months. Expect the stock market to continue higher. New records are coming. There's no doubt about it. Buy the dips in the market. Pay attention to what I have laid out for you on my website, traderschoice.net. Every single ticker symbol that you should be looking at is right there. Anyway, look, I think you get the picture. So in summary, real quick, not one, not two, but 3 rounds of bad economic news, and stock futures are higher across the board. Market looks like it's ready to put on some nice gains today. Let's see what happens. You got this, people. You got this. Believe in yourself and take action. Don't sit back like a deer in the headlights and do nothing while the system is designed to destroy you. Turn the tables on it, people. What have I been telling you for years? Weaponize the system against those that are trying to destroy us all, me included. Ain't happening. Not on my watch. All right, that's it. Please comment here. Let me know what you think about what's happening here. Are you surprised at all, seriously, with regard to the bad economic news that we got today? I'm not talking about unemployment claims because they only came in slightly higher. But with regard to the Federal Reserve's business barometer unexpectedly falling and the manufacturing index falling, are you surprised about this? No, and you shouldn't be. Are you shocked that stock futures are higher right now on the back of all this? No, I don't think you're surprised there either. That's the mechanism. The moment, the nanosecond, I like to say that we get some actual piece of good economic news, the stock market is going to collapse. You understand? Because it will realize that, hold on a minute, maybe the easy money is not going to, keep pouring in. Right now, as long as the bad economic news keeps pouring in, the market is going to love it. And, so are you if you are on the right side of all of this. All right. Sincerely, I'm out of here. Love you a lot. Comment. I'll read the comments, and I'll see you later.